Start your EnduraMat installation with confidence. This quick guide walks you through 5 simple steps for a fast, safe, and effective setup. Step 1. Start by checking the ground conditions. EnduraMat works on hard, soft, or uneven surfaces, but checking the terrain helps you get the best setup. Step 2. With its lightweight design, 2 people can easily position each mat. Align them side by side, covering the area you need. Step 3. Select your connection method based on traffic. Light-duty couplers are ideal for pedestrian and light vehicle access. Heavy-duty couplers are best for high-traffic zones and heavy equipment. You can also flip the mat over to choose between large or small grips for vehicle or pedestrian pathways. Step 4. Time to connect the couplers. For light-duty setups, slide the couplers into place. For heavy-duty applications, secure them with bolts and nuts for extra stability. Repeat the process until the entire area is covered. Step 6. Once all mats are connected, do a quick check. Ensure stability and proper alignment. You're now ready to go. With EnduraMat, you get fast installation and durable ground protection. If you need more information, contact us today.